Hello learners, welcome to the video. In the previous chapter, we have learned about the relation between longitude and time. The time is same on every place located on the same meridian. The best way of measuring time is by the movement of the Earth, the Moon and the planets. Now, what is a local time? The time of a specific place as regards the meridian running through it is the local time. Local time is determined by the sun's position in the sky. When sun is exactly over the head, it is noon at that place. The local time varies according to the apparent movement of the sun from the Greenwich time at the rate of 4 minutes for every 1 degree longitude or 1 hour for every 15 degree longitude. For example, the longitude of Delhi is approximately 77 degree east and that of Kolkata is 88 degree east. When it is noon at Greenwich, the local time will be approximately 5 p.m. in Delhi and about 6 p.m. at Kolkata. When it is sunrise at Dwarka in Gujarat and most children are still asleep, the children in Arunachal Pradesh might already be in schools and their parents might be in their workplaces. To make it clearer, suppose you are in Gujarat and around 9 a.m. you telephone your parents in Arunachal Pradesh and ask, what time is it? Do not be surprised if they tell you that it is past 11 a.m. Well, the knowledge of local time is important for determining one's position on the earth. It was only this ability of the navigators that helped in finding longitude. Learners, you may now be thinking that is the local time same at every place? You are correct if your answer is no. The local time differs from place to place, even from one part to another part of a large city. For a larger distance, the time difference can be even more, and we may not be able to find out when the train will arrive or depart or when a particular program on the TV will be telecast. We know that the shadow cast by the sun is shortest in the middle of the day, that is noon, and longest at the sunrise and sunset. In this way, a local time can be determined. Finally, we can say that the local time differs from place to place. Thus, the time at a particular place fixed with respect to the position of the overhead sun. Now it is time to explore. Can you think of what mistake can students do while differentiating between a local and standard time? In this video, we have learned about the local time and how it is determined. In the next video, we will learn about the standard time. I'll take your leave. Till then, bye. Stay happy.